Hey guys, so in this video I am going to talk about dropdowns. Okay, how do you handle dropdowns in Cypress? So okay, please watch the video till the end to understand this concept in a better way. Okay, so there are different kind of dropdowns as we know. So first one is single select dropdown, and the second one is multi select dropdown, and the third one is drop downs without select tag. So you have to know all these three kind of drop downs in order to handle all these scenarios regarding the drop down. Okay, so first of all, in order to demonstrate you the drop down actions, I have taken a website, that is simple website, that is this one. Here we have three sections where I can get these different types of drop downs: single select drop downs, multi select drop downs, and drop downs without select tag. So first of all, here what you have to do is you have to write down the describe block here. Describe handling drop down in Cypress. You can write any thing over here, and this is a function. This is a callback function, and inside that callback function you have to write each block. So basically we write the test cases inside the each block here. So the first test case is drop down by index. Okay, so basically I am writing cy.visit over here. So this line will just launch the browser, and then here I am trying to locate the element and select the thing by the index. Okay, so first of all you have to understand one thing, that is you can use the drop down in three different ways, that is using select tag, using index, using value, using text. So these three things we can use to select the values in the drop down. So first demo that I am showing here is basically it is by the drop down by index. So for doing that you have to have a proper web application where there is drop down. Okay, so first of all you visit the drop down, then you select that element, that is I visit the drop application here, and I just select this one, and I just select this one. So users basically perform like this only, nah? So you have to just replicate these actions. How will you do that? So you have to select this one first of all, and then you have to select this one, and you have to select the value Australia here. So the same thing I am doing here. If I execute the commands now, you will see the actual values. So I am running the script, so it is running. So as you can see, it has selected Portugal here, it has selected Greece here, it has selected Van Henry here. So multi select, it has selected analytics, and drop down it has selected Australia. Okay, drop down without select tag, it has selected Australia. So this is the script actually. Actually I just executed the script, that's why it showed like this. So you have to understand the concepts here, how you will use this one. Okay, so basically if you launch the Cypress, you will get a inbuilt selector finding option here. So you can just use this one to find the locators, that is if I am clicking this and selecting this element full, so it will give me the locator. So I can copy this one and I can just paste it in my code editor. This is the way you perform the things fast. Okay, you don't need to write CSS selector, XPath, anything you don't need to write. But for that, first of all, you need to understand what is drop down, what are the different types of drop down present. So as I told you, there are three types of drop down: single select drop down, multi select drop down, and drop downs without select tag. So you have to remember this one. And there are different approaches to handle this. So as you can see, I have done drop down by index. That means that this is the drop down, and here Spain is in 0th index, Italy is in 1st index, Greece is in 2nd index, New Zealand is in 3rd index, Australia is in 4th index. This is the indexing in the drop down. And here it is Oliver Hansen is in 0th index, Van Henry is in 1st index. This is the index. So the command that you can write in the script is select. Okay, so this portion is the portion that you use for the finding the element. Then you use dot select. Inside the dot select function, you can pass the index here 5, so it will select the 5th index value. And coming to the next one, it is drop down by value. So what is drop down by value? So basically, as I have said, you can use the value also. So in the select function, you can pass the string also here. So what does this means? So here in the drop down, there are different values such as New Zealand, Australia. So if you pass the string Australia in your select function, it will select the Australia value. But be careful. Not all drop downs are select drop down. Okay. So if you check in the network tab, if you locate the element, it is div. It is having div tag. If we select the single select drop down here, if we locate the element, it is having select tag. So all those select functions will only work if the element is having select tag. It won't work if the element doesn't have any select tag. So you have to be careful about that. So drop down by text is same. You can pass the text of the drop down here. And then there is multi-select drop down. So what is multi-select drop down? See, if I show you in the example, it is a kind of drop down where you can like select 2-3 values here, okay, at the same time. This is known as multi-select drop down. Okay, how do you handle this? Just locate the element. Okay, just locate the element and you pass select function. Inside the select function, pass an array. Okay, pass an array and the values inside the what you want to assert or do some actions. Inside the select function, you pass array and the values inside the array. In that way, you can select 2 or 3 values inside the multi-select drop down. But here is a catch that this will also work in case of select tag only. It won't work if the element is not having select tag. Coming to the last concept, that is drop down without select tag. So this means that the element is not having select tag. So in that case, you can just simply perform click option, click action, and you can just assert the values. So as you can see, I have used get function, click, click and click. Okay, it is the replication of this action. I will show you. Click, click, it is selected italic. In this way you can just do the function without select type. I hope that this concept will be clear now. If you have any queries, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.